What materials are commonly used in magnetic filter rod construction? Welcome to our guide on magnetic filter rod construction. Let's explore the key materials that make these essential industrial tools work. At the core of every magnetic filter rod, we find three main types of magnets. Neodymium magnets, the strongest of the bunch, excel at capturing even the finest metal particles. Ferrite magnets offer a more cost-effective solution for standard applications. And for high-temperature environments, Samarium Cobalt magnets are the go-to choice. The housing that protects these magnets is equally important. Most manufacturers use either SUS304 stainless steel for general applications or SUS316 and SUS316L grades when dealing with corrosive environments like saltwater or chemicals. To complete the assembly, we have stainless steel end caps and fittings that connect the rod to filtration systems. Everything is held together with precise stainless steel welding, creating a durable, leak-proof unit. The beauty of magnetic filter rods lies in how these materials work together. The magnets provide the filtering power, while the stainless steel components offer protection and structural integrity. When choosing a magnetic filter rod, remember that the right combination of materials can make all the difference in performance and longevity. That's your quick guide to magnetic filter rod construction materials. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website, www.snanio.com.